there's a plant that sticks to stuff like Velcro, and we need to talk about it. This is Gallium aparine, also known as Velcro plant, also known as Cleaver, and also known as my favorite, Sticky Willy. Now, this plant, something interesting about it is the stem is almost perfectly square. So that's a good way to identify it. And the leaves tend to kind of radiate out from the stem, if you can see that. But the most useful identifying feature is that it's very sticky like Velcro. In fact, some people think that this may have been the original inspiration for Velcro. Now, this plant is considered a weed in most flower beds, but there's something about it that's pretty cool, and that is that it is medicinal. So it can be eaten raw, but those little hairs that make it sticky are not pleasant to munch on. So most people actually use this in teas or they make a coffee out of it. Now, what are some of the medicinal uses that people make for it? Most commonly, it is used as what's called a lymphatic flush. And so, if you have like swollen lymph nodes or something like that, by drinking tea of this, potentially this could help drain those lymph nodes and actually help you to get feeling better. Now, of course, I'm not an herbalist, so take that with a grain of salt. Now, it does tend to grow during the cool season, so like late winter, early spring. And if you don't want it in your flower beds or around your house, it's really easy to pull up. There's really no need to spray it with a chemical. Just go around and grab it and yank it up. It's pretty easy to get it out. Watch this.
Ouch! Yeah.